Improving your listening skills starts with one simple habit: slow, focused attention. When you listen with your full mind instead of half your thoughts, every word becomes clearer and easier to understand. Try listening to short audio daily, repeat the parts you don't understand, and let your ears get comfortable with different accents and speaking speeds. Don't rush. Listening is not about catching every word. It's about understanding the message. With patience, practice, and consistency, your ears will become sharper, your confidence will grow, and English will start to feel natural, like a friendly voice guiding you. Every day, Willowtown was a small and peaceful place, hidden between soft green hills and a slow, calm river. Every morning, a gentle wind moved through the town like a friendly visitor. People loved this wind because it felt like nature was whispering good stories. The wind touched the trees, the windows, and even the clothes hanging outside to dry. It felt soft, warm, and kind. In this quiet town lived a young boy named Ayan. He was simple, curious, and always ready to learn something new. Ayan liked to sit near the river every morning. He enjoyed the sound of water, the smell of fresh grass, and the sight of birds flying freely. He believed the wind could speak, not with words, but with feelings. When the wind was slow, he felt calm. When it was fast, he felt excited. When it was warm, he felt safe. Ayan felt connected to nature in a very special way. Ayan lived with his grandmother, Nuri. She was an elderly woman with a soft smile and warm eyes. She always told Ayan stories about life, people, and nature. She said that Willowtown was not just a place, it was a teacher. Anyone who listened carefully could learn many lessons from the wind, the river, and the mountains. One day early in the morning, Ayan woke up before the sun. The world was still quiet, and the sky was a pale gray color. He opened the small wooden window of his room and felt the cool morning air. The gentle wind touched his face like a friendly hand. Ayan closed his eyes and smiled. It was a peaceful moment. He heard his grandmother calling, "Ayan, wake up properly. I have something special for you today." Ayan walked to the kitchen. Nuri was standing near the stove, stirring something warm and delicious. The smell filled the room. Ayan felt hungry and happy at the same time. "What is special today, Granny?" he asked. Nuri looked at him and smiled. "Today you will go on a walk with me. We will explore a part of Willowtown you have never seen before." Ayan felt excited. He loved exploring. "Where are we going?" "You'll see," Nuri said. "Sometimes surprise is the best teacher." After breakfast, they started walking between the hills. The morning wind was soft, and the sunlight slowly spread across the sky like a painting. They passed the river, the old bridge, and the tall willow trees that gave the town its name. While walking, Nuri said, "Ayan, there is a place called Whispering Field. People say the wind speaks more clearly there. Today, I want you to listen." Ayan's eyes widened. "The wind speaks?" "Yes," she said, "not with words, with meaning." After a long, calming walk, they reached a wide open field. The grass moved like waves in the ocean as the wind passed through it. The field was peaceful but full of life. Ayan felt something special immediately. It was a quiet magic. Nuri sat down on a rock and said, "Go, Ayan. Walk into the field. Close your eyes. Listen with your heart." Ayan stepped into the field. The wind touched him gently. He closed his eyes at first. He heard nothing special, just the sound of wind and grass. But the longer he stood there, the more he felt a soft message inside him. It felt like the wind was telling him, "Do not rush. Life is slow and gentle. Every moment teaches something." Ayan breathed deeply. The air felt fresh and alive. He opened his eyes and looked at the sky. Birds were moving slowly in wide circles, like they were dancing. Ayan walked back to his grandmother. "What did you hear?" she asked. Ayan thought for a moment. "I felt like the wind was telling me to be patient, to enjoy small moments." Nuri smiled proudly. "Good. That is the first lesson. Willowtown teaches through patience." As they walked back home, Ayan noticed things he never paid attention to before: the shape of the leaves, the sound of the river, the smell of fresh soil. Everything felt more alive, as if he was seeing the world for the first time. That evening, Ayan sat outside and watched the sunset. The sky turned orange, pink, and gold. The gentle wind brushed his hair. Ion whispered, "Thank you." He wasn't sure if he was speaking to nature or to himself, maybe both. When the stars came out, he went inside. His grandmother was sitting near the window with her warm cup of tea.